So, andito kami sa Takeshita Street. It's a famous street here in Tokyo.
Yan ang i-google nyo, Takeshita.
Takeshita Street. So, maganda lang dito sa Tokyo. Napakalinis. As in, wala kang makikita mga basura sa kalye. Ito, busy-busy kalye na to. Ang daming tao. Kasi dito, walang mga basurahan sa gilid. So, kapag kumain ka at meron kang basura, dadalhin mo, you have to take it with you. Kaya dapat meron kang dalang bag, lalagyan na ng basura. Hindi mo pwedeng iwanan lang sa tabi ang basura mo. Doon nila na maintain ang kalinisan dito sa Tokyo. We're going to Osaka today. So, check namin kung ganun din ba ang level ng cleanliness sa Osaka at saka sa Kyoto. Pero generally, dito sa Japan, so yan pa lang ang nakita kong basura. Saka yung plastic na yan. Considering it's very crowded, ang daming tao, parang Divisoria sa Pilipinas, pero wala kang makikita talagang basura. At the same time, wala kang makikitang basurahan. Very disciplined ng mga tao dito, kaya yung mga foreigners, so napapagaya sila sa discipline ng mga Japanese people pagdating sa kalinisan. That's really cheesy. It's ours.
The cheese is very nice.
It says the longest in Japan. 52 centimeters. Not the actual size, obviously. Longest. Happy Hearts. Strawberry specialty shop, fetish. You have some strawberry fetish. And this is the famous Marian crepes na pinipilahan ng mga tao. So walang ganun tao. We're gonna try this shortly. So vary from 600 to 700 to 800 yen. Then you got your fruits and ice cream and sweets. So another popular crepe shop is Santa Monica. Mini Pig Cafe, Micro Pig House. So dito maraming shop ng mga used clothing, mga vintage clothes shop. So if you're after those kind of clothes, dito kayo makakita ng maraming mga damit, mga vintage. Ano, this is a dog cafe now. Look. If there's a big cafe, there's a dog cafe. And across there, there's a cat cafe. You can buy some suitcase here as well, 50% off. Kung sa tingin nyo marami kayong mga souvenir na mabibili, you can buy suitcase here as well. Guys, share lang namin itong kinainan namin dito. It's called the Zeppin Burger. 4 medium-sized iced tea, pero medyo malaki din siya. And then Zetiera. And then you got 4 regular fries. And then look at those burger. That's your beef burger. This is the chicken burger. And then you got 4 of these. Equivalent to 15 UK pounds. 15 pounds lang lahat to. Pumasok na kami dito kanina. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung loob. So dito sa Capsule Lab, pasok ka dito. Kung gusto mo kumuha ng mga souvenir, so what it is. So para siyang vending machine para sa mga iba't ibang mga klaseng toys. Yan, mamimili ka. And then just put the coin in. It says 300 yen. So put 3 coins in and then just turn this. And then lalabas na kung ano man yung nasa loob nun. So ito na yung other side of Takeshita Street. So isang mahabang street lang siya. I guarantee you, you'll spend all day walking this street. Maiksi lang siya. It's probably about 300-400 meters long. Pero punong-puno ng mga shops both sides. At saka kainan, damitan, souvenir shop. So yun ang baba nyo dito of Harajuku Station. The JR line Harajuku Station. And then once you get off Harajuku Station, ito na yung Takeshita Street. And that is the famous sign. Kaya ang daming tao na naka-stay dito, kinukuha na nila yung picture ng Takeshita Street. And it goes all the way down there. So don't miss out Takeshita Street when you come and visit Tokyo, Japan. You'll love it here. Hello, are we going back now to the hotel?
Yes, I think that's The kids have enough of food.
Okay, we all had enough now. So our plan today is to go back to Osaka.
To go back.
No, to go to Osaka.
Yeah. Go back to the hotel.
Back to the
first.
hotel and to Osaka.
Oversized baggage corner next to the wash basin is available with
Boom! Wow.